From polling to instant updates, imagine if your systems could instantly notify each other the moment something important happens, like a new order, a successful payment, or low inventory. Instead of constantly checking for updates, what if the update just arrived automatically? That's the power of webhooks. Webhooks enable real-time communication between systems, making automation faster, smarter, and more efficient. What is a webhook? A webhook is a mechanism that allows one system to automatically send data to another system when a specific event occurs. Unlike traditional APIs where one system must actively request information, webhooks push data automatically. You can think of a webhook as a reverse request. Instead of asking for updates repeatedly, the system sends data out the moment something happens. For example, when a customer completes a purchase in an online store, a webhook can instantly notify a payment processor. The payment system receives the data and processes the transaction without the customer doing anything extra. Think of webhooks like a doorbell. When someone presses the button, it immediately triggers a response inside the house. No one inside has to keep opening the door to check if someone is there. How webhooks work? Event-driven model. Webhooks are event-driven. That means they activate only when a specific event occurs. Here's how the process works. First, an event happens such as a new customer placing an order. Second, the system sends a POST request to a predefined URL, often called an endpoint. This request contains relevant data, like order details. Third, the receiving server processes the information and triggers an action, such as sending a confirmation email. Because webhooks send data only when necessary, they eliminate the need for systems to constantly check for updates. This makes automation more efficient and reduces unnecessary traffic between systems. Webhooks are widely used in real-time automation across many industries. In e-commerce, when a new order is placed, a webhook sends order details to the warehouse system. Inventory is automatically updated and fulfillment begins. In payment systems, when a transaction succeeds, a webhook sends payment confirmation to the accounting system to update financial records. In CRM systems, when someone submits a website form, a webhook automatically creates a new contact entry without manual input. In each case, webhooks allow systems to react immediately to events, keeping operations smooth and automated. Key takeaways. Webhooks are event-driven notifications that automatically send data from one system to another when something happens. Unlike APIs that require repeated requests, webhooks push data instantly. This eliminates constant checking and enables real-time automation. They are essential for processes like online orders, payment confirmations, and CRM updates, any scenario where immediate action is required.